Good morning, guys. Bright and early. Concrete's here. The crew is here, and we are pouring this floor. So stay tuned, and we'll show you how it's done. Yeah, it's gonna be a hot one. It's already hot, so we'll be good to go.
Break all that right now.
All right, guys, concrete going in smoothly. Nice fiber mix going. Sun's going. Hot. It is nice. It'll be a fast set today. Fast set. I'm gonna pour this back corner here, get this guy unloaded, and next truck is already here mixing, and we should be good to go. All right, so on this taper, we just take it down about a trowel, an inch. Just go all the way through like this for about an inch. My battery's gonna run dead, so I might not gonna be able to get the finish for this. So once we take that down an inch all the way like that, then you taper this up. So now you got an inch pitch of extra pitch. So when the garage doors sit here, the water hits the garage doors and goes out from the seal. And then I take a straight edge like that and get it in my trough and work it up so it's all, work it right on up. Get you real quick before this battery dies here. So this is gonna sit here and I just screed it up so everything will stay true and then it will hit that seal perfect. All right, I'm gonna charge and then we'll check back. Crazy hot. Crazy hot. We got Crete. We got the first hit with the pizza pan. It's drying so fast. We're already on the second hit. I'm gonna get this fired up. You can see how rough and swirly that is. That's the pizza pan finish. Then instantly, because of two different truck pours, I got sunblock on the screen, sorry. Two different truck pours, it's setting different, so I had to get the pan off. And now we got to hit this down with the blades, and you can see that part over there is already hit with the blades. So this is actually the second hit, but this is setting fast. I mean, it's like, feels like it's 110 out here, and we don't have time. This is going quick. So let me get you on the machine. Guys, this side's all finished over here and the back is, and you can see the different coloration through here. So this was that second truck. It's about a half hour behind the other one. So it's hot, it's nice, it's finishing super fast, which is good because we got it under control. Obviously, you could get in trouble real quick if you didn't have all your phases in order. But yeah, sorry that I didn't get too much video. We were really hustling to get it to this point. I mean, this sun, look at it. It is hot. I mean, I don't know where you guys are right now, but we're in a super heat wave. This morning, it was like 85 degrees at 7 a.m. So not good concrete weather. But here, I'm gonna get you on the machine and you can watch it a little bit. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. It's just about lunchtime, so that just gives you a time frame on how fast this stuff goes in this heat. There's the finish, super smooth like a granite countertop. Got a couple different pitches going. Like I said, pitch, everything out the door this way, flat up there for workspace. But yeah, hot. Supposed to pour this next phase Monday. Miko showed up. He's still kind of banged up. I don't see it happening. We got a lot of stuff going on in other directions too, in other places. So I don't know about Monday on that pour. I'll keep you tuned up on that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. GoPro's dying because of the heat. I'm dying because of the heat. And we'll catch you tomorrow. We're going to saw cut this in the morning. All right, see ya. Good morning, guys. Back on the saw cut. Got the lines all snapped here. Always, even though you do your measurements to get it in half, take a T-square or triangle square and set her in there, in here, to make sure when this saw cut comes through, it's looking good. All right, yeah, you can definitely see the shrinkage coming off. This thing's ready to be cut. She's screaming to be cut. So we'll get started and we'll be saw cutting. Check back in a bit. Doctor, nurse, how you doing? All right, got this all saw cut. Just gonna take these ends here where the saw don't reach, just use a grinder, finish it out. Like so. I think I got one down here. A little bit. Bada boom, bada bing, all done. Clean it up. And that's a job wrapped up. We'll catch you guys. We'll catch you guys on Monday. Not sure what's going on yet with the pours and where we're gonna be, but we'll be somewhere. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.